Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will let to show you the way how to hide the application on your phone here on your home screen and how the way to find them back. So if you want to hide the application from your home screen, you just need to take a look on this side. And right after that, you just need to pick the application that you want to hide. So let's say here I will let to hide this files application. So the thing that you have to do is just go click this blank space on your home screen until the application start to be shaking, and there will be like a minus options there, so you just need to go click them and don't choose the delete app. Rather than this, you just need to click remove from the home screen, and then this application will be removed and you just need to go click done, and this application will be hidden. How to find them back? You just need to like slide your screen into the left side, so you will get this app library, and then you just need to type the applications that you want to unhide. Let's say your files, and then if you want to bring them back into your home screen, you just need to click, hold and drag it, and you just need to place them into the specific area that you want to have and go click done. And that is the way how to hide the application and how to find them back on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.